Don't have to go like an Eskimo, that means be cold, cause I can heat 'em up if you like to get naked. And these rhymes, I cook 'em like I just sexed it. But I'm not a chef, I'm just trying to profess, make this shit a profession. And this is not a question whether I can freestyle. This is straight from the top, not thought up, cause I don't fuck around. One time, hear the sound, drop a couple lines, spread 'em around. You can hear 'em cause I'm just playing, but I'm freestyle. Santa Rosa's what I'm saying, where I'm coming from. I mean, rhymes on point to the beat, so clean. Don't gotta be polished cause the beat's demolished. And you know that I'm not going to college until January. Oh boy, very scary. Merc going there. I don't know if you care, but I'm everywhere like air, and I always got a spare Optimo. If you wanna roll it up, it'll burn slower than a swisher, but most motherfuckers don't get the picture. Stupid in the head, so I gotta switch it up. And I'm about to make a fast buck pretty soon. Stay tuned, don't got a channel, but stay on me, and you know I'll be like a flannel, keeping you warm. And it's over because the beat is swarms.